Shop build part 2, let's get it. This video was supposed to be about building and installing some ceiling racks for storage. However, I came up with a way better solution that's going to work absolutely incredible. So I installed this attic ladder along with some plywood on the roof joist. And by doing so, that gave us more than enough room to actually store all of our holiday decorations and miscellaneous stuff, as you guys can see right here. So the racks aren't needed anymore, and that changes the whole game plan of this video. It looks like we're going to be doing drywall, electrical, or lighting. Depending on what's needed and where it's needed at, we might be doing all three. So with that being said, let's get to work. So the drywall might look good on video, but little do you guys know what I'm dealing with. It looks like this all around the garage. It's absolutely horrible. Like a 2-year-old could do better than it. So I'm putting a skim coat on every single wall here, and it's not perfect. You know, there's some imperfections, but it's a hell of a lot better base than this stuff. So I got that wall done. I need to do this one. I have this one done, and then I have to patch all the holes everywhere and put a skim coat on everything else. This I did, so it should be pretty decent when it's done, but the rest of the garage needs a lot of work. So let me get to cranking this stuff out, and I'll pick you guys back up here in a second. All right, guys, so I got this wall done, and I tried a little something out with some chalk line right here, and it seems like it's going to work. So the theory behind it is to divide up the wall, take the measurements, and then put a nail in right over there. You can see it. Then we're going to run our chalk line all the way across, and then we're going to run it all the way across this way. Perfectly even, so every single cross will be exactly where the pot light's going to go. And I should have 16 of them in here, so it should light up the garage pretty nice. So I'll pick you guys back up when I get this grid pretty much laid out and show you guys the finished product. So if you guys take a sneak peek over my shoulder, you guys can probably see the pot light holes that I just got done cutting out. They're perfectly spaced, and I really can't wait to see the finished product of how they're going to look and how much it's going to light up the garage. But we have to drop some electrical down through the holes, and we have tons of drywall work to do on the ceiling. So for example, we have a tape line right here. We have a hole to patch right there. We have nails protruding through the drywall. So this is the story of my life throughout this whole garage. Everything looks like this section right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this done and bring you guys along with me. So let's get to work. I tell you what, you could get away with a lot more stuff working on a house than you could a car. And this thing came out really, really nice. So we gotta throw some compound on it and also the tape, and then we'll just start smoothing the wall as we go. So let's just jump right into it. So I got the skim coat thrown on the wall and it came out all right. This area needs to be addressed, but other than that, it looks halfway decent. So we'll go ahead and move on to the ceiling and getting everything hidden up here. And what the hell is going on right there? Oh, that's where the electrical used to be. So yeah, we'll go ahead and smooth out everything and try to get the ceiling in halfway decent shape, and then we'll go ahead and start wiring these guys up. But I think I'm gonna save that for the next video. So yeah, you guys are gonna have to wait, but let's just jump right into it. So we're gonna call it quits on the video right here. The drywall turned out absolutely amazing, especially considering what it was to what it is now. And next episode, we're going to put texture on all the walls, and we're also going to paint them to give us more of a shop environment. So I'm super excited about that, and I hope you guys are too. So go ahead and stick around, and I'll see you guys next video.